Although the professional geologists in the house might cringe at this analogy, we have on our right-hand side our Mother Earth that's very much like on the left-hand side the hard-boiled egg. If you know what a hard-boiled egg feels like, it's got that very thin yet brittle outer shell with the plastic, almost gooey-like inside. Very similar to what we would find on the right-hand side with our Mother. Here we have a lava lamp. A lava lamp is another analogy we can use to understand what Earth is like in the inside. What a lava lamp is pretty much probably something that sits around in dorm rooms at IU down in Bloomington, where college kids probably stare at this and for 5 hours, while IUPUI students are off doing work and doing good things. Anyway, so if we think about this, we can relate this to our Earth, where we have a core, which is where the warmest temperatures are, and from there we've got this molten magma material that wants to escape, and so it wants to go through the mantle and go through and eventually get to the crust. So another way to conceptualize this, if you stared at a lava lamp, you would see this. You'd see this gooey stuff rising to the top, very similar to our Earth. Now we return to our good friend, the hard-boiled egg. And so we know the inside of this egg, we have that warm, hot inner part that heat wants to escape. And it wants to escape, it wants to expand outward. Of course, as it expands outward, what's going to happen? We're going to get cracks to form. And one of the things we can relate this is to individual little bits and pieces, or we'll call them plates, let's say. Along this red line that we see right through the middle, let's imagine that along this red line, you get separation occurring. So all along this red line, the plates are getting essentially further apart from each other on opposite sides of the red line. So what's that going to do? It's going to create actually collisions on the other sides. And so the idea is red lines, along this red line we got separation. What's going to happen is on the other side of these individual plates, they're then going to collide. And so we're going to see along those blue lines collision.